Dave knows how.
Welcome back to the channel. In this video we got some more straightening out to do. We got this ramp sitting up here on the table. Got it jacked up on some 4x4s. We got a 20-foot piece of chain that we use to tie the tractor down with. And it is feeding across the table under this section, up and over on this hydraulic jack. And we've only got a 2-ton hydraulic jack is what we're going to try to do this with. It may not be big enough, so we may have to start all over and get a bigger jack and use a bigger jack. But we're going to try it with a 2-ton. We put the pipe bending shoe on top of the jack and just snugged it up a little bit. We brought that chain up and over, down, under the tread for the ramp, back up, back over, down, and hooked back onto the chain with the hook. So we're going to put the rosebud tip on the oxyacetylene torch, commence to heating this up pretty good, and then we're going to see if this 2-ton jack will actually bend it back straight. Don't know how this is going to turn out, but we're just going to hope for the best. Hopefully Copper's barking isn't going to be too distractful as we get this done. Okay. I'm just going to throw some heat to it. We're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna put this cheetah bar on it so that I can stand back. Oop. I think we melted the jack. Yeah, we melted the jack. Yeah, it went into bypass mode. Oh well. I either melted the internals in the jack with the heat, or it's just at the limit, the 2-ton limit, and it's just going into bypass mode. It really don't feel that hot, so it might have just, you know, bypassed at 2 tons or close to it. Yeah, it doesn't really feel that hot. Not with my, let's see. Nah, it ain't that hot. I can stick my hand right on it. It's warm, but it ain't hot. So it must have just been bypassing. If I could get that bigger jack over here, that 20-ton, you know, I believe we did get a little bit out of that thing though. I may see if I can get that 20-ton over here and set that up there. And I don't know if this shoe is going to fit on that 20-ton. That's the problem. Let me go over there and see what I can do with it. So right here we're going to change to the 20-ton jack, and unfortunately the audio recorder had a major malfunction, so we lost the audio. Good audio anyway. So we're going to use the 20-ton jack. I got a little bit larger shoe to go on it to hold that chain. Now we're using this long cheater bar. We're not doing it so much for leverage as we're doing it so that I can stay away from that thing if it flies to pieces and, you know, shoots up in my face. So, you know, that's really the purpose of that long bar. It wasn't, you know, because I needed to get more leverage. It's not a good idea to use a long bar on a hydraulic jack because you can blow the seal out on the jack. And in fact, I may have actually blew the seal out on this jack by using that cheater bar on there. I shouldn't have did that. So this is showing where I bent the tread. You know, I put the chain in the wrong spot. I shouldn't have put it on the tread. I bent on the tread up. I bent it right there and bent it there and here. But you know, we'll fix that. You know, we'll throw some heat to it and get that thing back straight, and it'll be good enough for what we need. Overall, I think the thing came out fairly straight. It looks pretty good. So right here, we're just throwing some heat to that tread so that we can beat it out. And it's going to take a little bit of pounding with the big hammer, and it's going to take a little bit of heat. But, you know, that's what torches are for, right? So I just, you know, I really put the chain in the wrong spot on this thing. I should have been thinking more clearly, and I don't know. You know, no excuse, but every excuse, right? Well, that's about it for this video. We pretty much got it about as straight as what we're going to get with it. I wasn't really shooting to get this thing perfect. The main objective was to get it so that it would slide in and out of the storage compartment fairly easily. As it was before, it was so bent that you had to climb up under the trailer, put your foot against it, and kick it and kick it and kick it until you got it out past where the bent part was. Then you could reach up in there and slide it on out. As it is right now, we've got it straight enough that we can just reach up in there and just grab it and pull it out. And so that part of it functions fairly well, so I'm satisfied with that. And we're just gonna go with it from there. This ramp is really heavy, and you know, the older I get, the less I want to move something around like this. So you know, I don't really foresee me using it that much myself, but you know, somebody else may need to use it. So figure I may as well have it where it's functional, everything working like it should be. Anyway, I'm sure we're gonna probably have more videos to come on this trailer because this thing it's in bad shape. It needs a lot of work. So I don't know how much of it, you know, that we'll video, but I'll try to video some of it just to give an idea as to the extent of how bad a shape that this thing is in. But hopefully won't have to dump too much money into this thing before we can get it where it's functional enough that it can be used. So, again, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate everybody subscribe to the channel. It does, it does help. So, anyway, hopefully we'll get some more videos coming out soon. You guys have a great day. We'll see you in the next one.
Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.